Well, I feel like the biological approach should be the way to dentistry. Holistic dentistry is not a specialty, it's general dentistry. We consider the mouth as being part of the whole body. That might sound crazy. You could even think of the mouth being separate from the rest of the body. Oftentimes, that's kind of been the approach with dentistry. It's this own separate entity. So what holistic dentistry tries to do is connect the mouth with the whole body and focus on how toxins and disease and even the treatments that go on in the mouth can affect your overall health. So when we're seeing our patients, we're always hammering the fact that everything in their mouth is connected to the rest of their body. Let's say you brush or floss your teeth and you see, oh, there's a little bit of blood there. Well, guess what that is? That's like a freeway, a super highway for bacteria to get right in your bloodstream and go through the rest of your body. They're blown away when we tell them that within 30 seconds of brushing and flossing, bacteria from their mouth are found through the rest of their body. You can be really susceptible to the bacteria that are coming in from your mouth. And it happens to all of us. We cannot escape it. We call it the oral systemic connection. To help with the oral systemic connection, basically, my focus is to try and clean up the mouth. When a new patient comes, we do a thorough analysis of their mouth. We actually take like a little sample of their plaque and we'll look at it. We have got like this high-powered microscope. It's connected to a screen. You can see it live, okay? And it's from your mouth. What we try and do is we tailor our approach to you, depending on what your needs are, to help clean things up. All these little steps that we suggest that you can, in fact, improve your overall health by improving your oral health. When I was a child, we grew up, huge garden. I was out there all summer long, picking weeds, turning the compost, all those things. I always had this very health-conscious approach to living. My mom was always trying to heal us with food. She always taught us that food was medicine and that medicine was kind of like the last resort. But when I decided to go to dental school, I had no idea that there was anything unhealthy, anything that could possibly be unhealthy in the dental world. But as I started practicing dentistry, I started meeting patients who had different reactions in their mouths, their bodies, and they were really concerned about what went on, what treatments were being performed for them. And so it got me thinking, okay, well maybe there's more to this than meets the eye. So I started looking into it, but I had no idea that holistic or biological dentistry was like a thing. And again, I'll say it over and over. I'm a general dentist, but this holistic approach to dentistry was very foreign to me. I didn't know that there was this group of people and organizations completely devoted to this. So when I learned about it, it totally resonated with me because that's how I was raised. So we take it from that angle. 100% of everything we do is trying to reduce the toxic load on the rest of the body, the stressors that can come in the rest of the body due to things happening in our mouths. If you're at all sensitive to anything or you're concerned about what's going in your mouth, that's where this fits. Root canals. We can talk about root canals.
Yeah, tell me about root canals. Ben, tell me